Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of Breadcrumbs with Shauna-Lee. I am your host and welcome to my kitchen. If you're new here, welcome. If you're a returning watcher, thank you so much for coming back and cooking with me. I'm so sorry there was no video last week. I was super busy celebrating Valentine's Day, meeting up with my girls, and also meeting up with my family, so I did not have the chance to film. But I'm very happy to be back in front of the camera sharing some recipes with you guys. Today we are doing a buffalo chicken mac and cheese. I saw it on TikTok and I was like, I have to make this. I just have to. So that is exactly what we're going to do today. Like always, I'm going to prep everything and then I'll bring you guys back and we'll go over all the ingredients and everything that you'll need. Let's get to it. Thankfully, this recipe does not require us to prep. If you have leftover chicken, which I will be using leftover chicken that I made a few nights ago instead of cooking a whole new batch of chicken. But you guys did see me prep the cheese. So this is Gouda, mozzarella, and Kobe Jack. I love these three cheeses when making mac and cheese, but feel free to pick whatever cheeses you want. Just make sure you have three so it's extra cheesy. Now we can start. I have my water boiling for my pasta. These are the pasta shells that I'm going to be using. I don't like regular macaroni, like the regular shells, so I always use this one. But again, feel free to use whatever shells you'd like. These are just the ones that I'm going to use. And now that my pot is boiling, I'm going to add about 2 cups of the pasta in there. Will take about 12 minutes to cook and then we'll start on our sauce and this will be ready. I'm so excited to try it. Pasta is all done cooking, so I'm going to strain it and let it sit in cold water. We're going to work on our roux for the mac and cheese and then our sauce for the chicken. So let's do that. The mac and cheese. Guys, so to get started on the roux, we're going to do about 1.5 cups of heavy whipping cream in our pan. That's good. So we're gonna do about 1 cup in our pan for the roux. Okay. We're also going to add in some cream cheese. Add in some of our shredded cheese. We're not gonna add in all of it because we are going to need some of it to top our mac and cheese. So about that much. We're also going to add in our seasonings, and this is garlic, onion, salt, and white pepper, a little bit of paprika, and a little bit of chicken bouillon as well. I'm just going to add that in. Okay, and give that a nice mix. Okay, so we're going to just let that cook, and we're going to let the cheese melt, and then we'll add in our pasta shells. Alright guys, now let's get started on our chicken. Like I said, I'm just going to be using chicken that I pre-made a few days ago. This is just 2 chicken breasts that I had cut up, so I'm just going to add that to my pan. To this, we're going to add our honey. And we're also going to add our sriracha. And I'm just going to give that a good mix. Alright, we're just going to turn the heat down just a little and just allow it to cook together while we go back to our mac and cheese. And now that our cheese is all melted and our roux is looking good, we're going to add in our mac and cheese back to the pot. give that a good mix. This looks so creamy, so cheesy. All right, so we're gonna transfer our mac and cheese to a pan because we're gonna top it with some extra cheese and put it in the oven just until the top layer of the cheese melts. Oh my gosh, so good. That extra cheese that you have, just take as much as you want, put it on top. Now that the cheese is on top, I'm just gonna pop this in the oven until the cheese is nice and golden brown, and then we'll add our chicken on top and it'll finally be time to try. You guys, look at this mac and cheese. Ugh, come here, come look, oh my. Oh, that looks so yummy. All right, you guys, now that everything is plated, let's take our first bite. Cheers! I feel like I say this every video, but this is so good. This is so good. I'm glad that I switched the buffalo to sriracha. I think I like this better than if I would have used the buffalo, but this is good. I really enjoyed this dish and I hope you guys make it as well. If you do, please comment below and tell me how you like it. As always, thank you guys so much for coming and cooking with me. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you next week for another recipe. Bye!